Yes, I received your response.
मिस लेक्स में लेक सुपीरियर सबसे बिग है ना?
जी बिल्कुल जी
आपने वो इम्पोर्टेंट बात बता दी।
जी, as I already discussed the most important thing that we will do activity by tomorrow and in which
जो चीजें
we
हमने
will draw
लानी
map
है वो आप
and we
लिखिएगा
have to draw the
यूनिवर्सिटी
shapes
में।
of each continent. And I have one by one ask, okay? And listen, beta, I have shared diary on university, and do you know? By tomorrow we will do activity of maths in which we will make flip book. Do you know what is flip book? Right now I'm discussing with you about maths activity. Okay. Why you are not checking your diary on university? I have assigned diary on university on Friday. So kindly check it diary and bring 4 computer paper with different colors and UHV stick or any glue. Okay? Yes, beta. Yes.
क्या वो इम्पोर्टेंट बात आपस से बता सकती है क्योंकि टीचर हमारे घर में लाइट नहीं थी।
Okay, Jafar, I will explain. Okay, again, so don't worry about it. Right now I'm talking about maths activity. For this activity, you have to bring 4 different color computer paper and any UHU stick material. Okay, sticky material. Or with the help of these computer paper and glue stick, we will make flip book. And what we have to write on flip book, you have to I also mention in the diary that you have to find the information about the edges, faces and corners of 3D shapes, and I have already mentioned the shapes. Okay, kindly go through on university. Let me show you once again on university. Wait everyone, I am sharing a screen so you can check your diary.
और क्या चाहिए कंप्यूटर?
Beta, just glue and computer paper. Glue and computer paper. Beta, look at your screen. I am sharing your diary and telling you where I have assigned. This is university software where I am assigning your diary.
नहीं मैं सीरीज मैं कह रही हूँ ये इशाल है।
Look at the date. आज का मैंने दिया Excuse me, Naya, don't shout, beta. I am listening you. Look at the diary. Beta, kindly check your diary. This is activity material. You have to bring it by tomorrow because we will do activity by tomorrow. Look over here. This is on Tuesday. We will do an activity on 3D shapes, which we will make flip book. You will bring 4 different colors computer paper and UHV stick or any glue. Any sticky material you can bring. Okay. And on a rough page. Yeah, this is homework which I have assigned on Friday. बेटा ये मैंने Friday को assign किया था. That means you didn't see your diary, हाँ?
देखी जो मैंने ये कर ली.
बेटा
किसी की कॉल आ रही है.
And on a rough page, you will write the faces, edges, and vertices of the given blue shapes and keep this information safely as it will need for making flip book. Okay? Flip book बनाने के लिए आपको rough page पर कुछ information ढूंढनी होगी. सही है? बज़ाहिर मैंने आपको सब कुछ बताया है कि क्यूब्स के पास कितने वर्टाइसेस होते हैं, कितने फेसेस होते हैं, कितनी एजेस होती है. बताया है ना मैंने? बताइए. एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है टीचर ने या नहीं? आराम से आप बताइए क्या हुआ है। तो आप लोग रफ पेज पर ये तमाम चीजें लिखकर बैठेंगे जो कि हमारे फ्लिप बुक में हमारे काम आएगी। अब आपने कौन कौन से शेप की इंफॉर्मेशन अपने पास रफ पेजेस में लिखनी है, और इंफॉर्मेशन में आपने सिर्फ फेसेस, एजेस और वर्टाइसेस लिखने हैं। तो नंबर 1 शेप इज क्यूब, number 2 is sphere, number 3 is cone, triangular prism, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, पेंटागोनल पिरामिड एंड सिलेंडर। इन सब की इंफॉर्मेशन आपने एक रफ पेज पर लिखकर की एक्टिविटी में, सही है। एक तो हमारी हो गई मैथ्स की एक्टिविटी, सही है। दूसरी एक्टिविटी मैंने आपसे कहा कि हम वो कौन सी करेंगे, जीके की। जाफर ये इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है जो आपने मिस कर दी थी। राइट नाउ आई एम शेयरिंग विद यू अगेन। या दिस इज योर लास्ट ब्लॉग इन आया।
मिस मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा था। आई वाज लीव इन दिस क्लास। कैन यू टेल मी वन मोर टाइम?
बेटा आई विल राइट ऑन डायरी सो यू कैन चेक इट, ओके। मैथ्स की एक्टिविटी मैंने आपको बता दी कि आपको
मुझे जीके को समझ नहीं आया।
पहले से निकाल के रखनी। फर्स्ट दोबारा सुनिए मेरे बच्चे, दोबारा सुनिए। आपके टीचर ने सिर्फ आपको इतनी सी बात समझाई है। कल हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे, उस एक्टिविटी में हम बनाएंगे फ्लिप बुक, सही है। फ्लिप बुक बनाने के लिए आपको 4 डिफरेंट कलर्स के कंप्यूटर पेपर लेंगे, सही है। अगर आपके पास कंप्यूटर पेपर नहीं है, काइंडली टेल मी योर नेम। इनफिनिक्स हॉट 8 लाइट, कैन यू टेल मी योर नेम? Infinix hot 8 light, can you tell me your name please? Hamad. ओके, डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर पेपर लाने के बाद आप लोगों ने क्या करना है बच्चों? आप लोगों ने फिर वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कल, लेकिन अभी भी थोड़ा सा सुन लें। एक रफ पेज पर जो आप इंफॉर्मेशन लेकर आए हुए होंगे अबाउट वर्टाइसेस, एजेस एंड फेसेस ऑफ द रिक्वायर्ड शेप्स, वो आप रफ पेज पर लिख लोगे। उसके बाद हम फ्लिप बुक को इक्वल शेप में कट करेंगे, सही है। कट करने के बाद हम इस तरह की बुक बनाएंगे कि टॉप पर आप वो शेप अपने हाथों से ड्रॉ करोगे। मेरे सामने मैं आपको ड्रॉ करना सिखाऊंगी कि हाउ टू ड्रॉ क्यूब, हाउ टू ड्रॉ क्यूबॉइड, ये मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, सही है। तो वैसे वैसे आप ड्रॉ करोगे। यस, ये दिस इज स्टिकी नोट्स के साथ, ये फ्लिप बुक नहीं है बट स्टिकी नोट्स हैं। यू कैन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ स्टिकी नोट्स, इससे भी आप फ्लिप बुक बना सकती हो, सही है। उस फ्लिप बुक में जब आप ये तमाम चीजें लिख लोगे ना, तो फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, कि आपको डायरेक्ट पता चल जाएगा कि क्यूब के पास इतने फेसेस है, क्यूब के पास इतने एजेस हैं, क्यूब के पास इतनी वर्टाइसेस हैं। तो आपको इजीली चीजें पता चल जाएंगी। और इस तरह जब आप अपने हाथों से चीजें करोगे ना, तो आपको शेप्स बनाना भी आएगा। अभी
किसका जैसा बुक बनानी है पूरी?
बेटा हम 4 कंप्यूटर पेपर से बनाएंगे, वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हम किस तरह बनाएंगे।
बना सकते हैं इससे, कैसे बुक बना सकते हैं?
इस स्टिकी नोट्स से बुक बना सकते हैं किस्सा, लेकिन आप फिर भी सेफ साइड के लिए 4 कंप्यूटर पेपर्स ले आइएगा ताकि आप बिल्कुल मिसिकरा जैसा काम कर सकें, सही है। अब मुझे आप सब अपना हाथ ऊपर करें और मुझे बताइए कि किसको क्यूब ड्रॉ करना आता है। Okay, Naya, can you show me how to draw? Okay, Aras, wait. Anaya, please draw it. I'm watching. Okay, Zara, Aras, and Anaya, kindly draw cube shape. On rough page, I'm watching. Yeah, you may also. Everyone, you may draw. Jafar, you may unmute yourself.
Can I also draw?
Okay, you can show me. Show me. Ritika, you may unmute yourself.
मिस क्या बनाना है?
Beta, I am asking, do you know how to draw cube shape?
मिस सी 3D क्यूब.
Yeah, little bit fine, but not perfect किस्सा. But fine किस्सा. आपने बस मुझे draw करके बता दी, लेकिन exact आप जानती नहीं हो कि किस तरह perfect cube हम draw कर सकते हैं. Okay, Sara. Okay, I have watched. Inaya, don't hide. I am looking. Show me I am watching, beta. Don't hide.
मिस सी नाउ. मिस नहीं आ रहा. मैंने
नहीं आ रहा. पहले तो आपने कहा था मुझे आता है.
पहले मैंने बहुत बनाया हुआ है, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं बन रहा.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. कल हम ये सब चीजें सीखेंगे. ओके बेटा, डोंट वरी. कल हम इंशाल्लाह ये सब चीजें बनानी सीखेंगे. सो आपको फिक्र नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके,
मिस मुझसे नहीं बन रहा.
देखा, इसलिए कल इंशाल्लाह आपको मैं ये चीज करवाऊंगी कि हाउ टू ड्रॉ शेप्स. गॉट इट? Don't worry about it. You are unable to draw shape. I will teach you how to draw it. Okay? Every shape I will teach you how to draw it. Yes, Jafar, you may unmute yourself.
मुश्किल होगा.
No, कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगा. मैं इजी तरीके से आपको सिखाऊंगी. Okay? Along with your stationery, you have to join your class by tomorrow. Okay? Scale भी होना चाहिए, colors भी होने चाहिए, pencil भी होनी चाहिए आप लोग के पास. Okay?
टेबल लगा.
Okay?
ओके.
Okay, fine इनाया. चलें, अब एक छोटा सा क्विज ले लूं मैं.
नो मिस. नो.
हाँ, सरप्राइज टेस्ट. रिवीजन भाई, रिवीजन तो होना है ना. आपके पेपर्स करीब है और मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे सारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे नंबर से क्लियर करें विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स. और जब वो स्कूल में
पेपर्स कब से हैं?
बेटा, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त.
एग्जाम तो बहुत करीब है.
तो अच्छी बात है ना. मैं तो चाहती हूँ मेरे बच्चों की तैयारी ऐसी हो जाए कि वो ड्यूरिंग द पेपर उनके पास
इतनी जल्दी एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं.
हाँ, होने दीजिए. अच्छी बात है.
कैसे होगा?
सब कुछ हो जाएगा ना यार. डोंट वरी. For one by one, everyone, I will give you marks if you give me correct answer. So one by one, kindly give me answer. I will tell the name of the student who will give me answer. Okay, Zara, first of all, your turn. Listen to me very, very carefully. Give me one practical example of this cube. One practical example. That means you are watching in your daily life. Cube. After that, you have to tell me about the faces, edges, and corners of the cube.
Ice cube.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me the faces, edges, and corners? I will give you marks.
6 faces.
Okay. Continue, beta.
8 edges.
Edges होता है बेटा. It is called edges.
Miss 12 corners.
12 corners. So, are you sure about it? Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Zara, little bit wrong. Okay.
Miss, can I tell?
No, you have to wait. Now the turn is for Jafar. Jafar, look at your screen. Kindly tell me what is it? What is it? The second one diagram. I am asking second one diagram. Can you tell me what is it?
Phone.
Can you tell me, Jafar, what is it? Okay. Can you give me one practical example of cone which you are seeing in your daily life?
Yeah, ice cream.
Okay, fine, ice cream. Correct answer. So, can you tell me faces, edges, and vertices? No, Kissa, you have to quit. I am talking with Jafar. Yes, Jafar. Beta, I can't hear you. Speak loud. Jafar, I can't hear you, beta.
one face and one corner.
Okay. आप कह रहे हैं कि टीचर वन फेसेस जाफर say again beta.
Yeah, I am saying one face and two edges.
Okay, and what about the vertices?
What is? I mean
What about the vertices, beta? Are you saying 4? No, it's not 4.
Miss what?
Okay. Now I have assigning you marks. Number 3. That's why I am arranging an activity regarding 3D shapes because you need to do.
Okay.
Inaya, now it's your turn. Inaya, can you tell me what is it?
Pyramid. It's rectangular prism.
What about the second name of it?
Rectangle.
No. In 3D shapes we had discussed. Can you tell me the second name of it? Yes, Aras, you are right. Jafar, your turn already has come now, so you have to wait, beta.
I
Because
don't know.
every student want to talk now and want to participate in class. Inaya, can you tell me? So, Inaya, it is called cubite. Now explain it. Inaya, can you tell me about the corner sides? Inaya, can you tell me about the faces, edges, and vertices?
Miss faces, I know.
This is not your turn.
Yes.
Sister, you have to wait, otherwise I will not give you opportunity as penalty.
Okay.
Yes, Inaya, speak.
Miss 4 faces.
Okay,
Miss 11 edges.
okay,
And 8 vertex.
okay, okay. Few things are correct and few things are wrong, Inaya. But inshallah, by tomorrow you will understand it clearly. Okay. Now I am moving towards the next one, student. That is किस्सा की तो सबसे एंड में बारी आएगी ड्यू टू पेनल्टी. Okay, Sabika, I want to talk with you. What is it? Kissa, can you tell me?
Pyramid.
Pyramid. Okay. Can you tell me the base of this pyramid? Base बताइए. इस pyramid की कौन सी base है? Can you tell me?
Triangle.
Kissa, I am asking. Sorry, not Kissa. Sabika, I am asking to you. Sabika, unmute yourself. Can you tell me what is it?
It is pyramid.
Can you tell me the base of it?
Yes.
What is it? Jafar, wait. Base बताइए बेटा. I am highlighting. Can you recognize the shape of this?
5 faces.
I am asking the base. Base बताइए.
8.
Sabika, I am not asking about the ages. I am not asking about the faces right now. I am asking about the base,
Face.
which I have highlighted.
Rectangular.
Okay, fine. अगर आप इसे rectangular कह रही हो, okay, fine. Now tell me about the faces, edges, and vertices.
Faces is 5.
Okay.
5
Okay.
faces and 8 ages and 5 vertices.
Okay, fine, Savika. All things are right. So now I'm moving towards the next student. Mariam, please unmute yourself. Mariam, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Beta, can you tell me what are you watching right now on your screen? Number 1.
A cylinder and a sphere.
Okay, first of all, you have to explain cylinder. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, tell me about the one practical example of cylinder which you are watching in your daily life.
A soda can.
Okay, fine, it is correct. Now tell me about the faces, edges and vertices.
It has 3 faces.
Sorry, Mariam, I can't hear you. Repeat again.
It has 3 faces.
Okay. So now I am moving towards Aras. Aras, please unmute yourself and explain what are you watching on your screen.
It's a sphere.
Okay, can you give me one practical example which you are watching in your daily life?
Ball.
Ball.
So can you tell me about the faces, edges and vertices?
It has no vertices or edges, but it
Okay.
has one face.
Okay, good job, Aras. Now, Kissa, finally is your turn. Kissa, where are you?
I'm over here.
Now, at the last, your turn has come. Next time, be aware. If you interrupt in anyone's conversation, then I will give you
Cylinder.
hard punishment. Kissa, there is nothing remain to ask from you.
Miss.
So you have to tell me about 3D shapes. What is it?
Oh, 3D shapes are what I
What
have
we
to
can measure from 3D shapes? Kissa, I can't hear you properly. Jafar, I will talk to you.
Miss. We measure.
We measure what? Yes, Kissa, I am
3D
hearing you.
shapes.
Yeah. Can you explain 3D shapes?
Yes, 3D shapes are the shapes.
Yeah. What we can measure
We measure
from 3D shapes?
a face, age.
Okay. So today
Miss,
I
didn't
have
ask you.
judged to you and everyone. Listen to me, your 3D shapes is very, very weak. So it is obvious on us that we have to do activity of 3D shapes, and you have to search it about what I told you about the faces, edges and vertices of the required shape which I have mentioned in your diary. Kindly go through university and check your diary and collect the information. With the help of internet, by tomorrow we will do activity. Got it?
Oh, yes.
Via activity, we will revise 3D shapes topic as well as what is 3D shapes and about all the 3D shapes. Got it? So now I am going to conclude your session. Jafar, please unmute yourself. Jafar, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Jafar, जी,
यहाँ देखो.
Jafar, speak. Beta, your voice is so much distorted. Kindly repeat again. I can't hear properly.
Please, kindly,
Fine.
one more.
What, beta? Jafar, kindly write it because maybe you are facing internet issue. Kindly write on chat room so I can read it properly. Jafar, write on chat room. Yes, Aras, again you are right. You are amazing student, Aras. Keep it up. Jafar, write. What do you want to ask? Then I will conclude the session.
Writing.
Jafar, please write.
Writing.
Okay, okay. I am waiting. And other students, you may go. You may leave the meeting.
I can leave the meeting.
Yeah, you may leave the meeting because
Yes,
only
bye.
Jafar needs to ask something and your time is almost finished. You may go.
Bye, miss.
Allah Hafiz, beta. Jafar, I am waiting your text. Okay, Jafar, you want to ask that one thing? Okay, I am replying you. Yes, your examination will be held online and you have to do like you are doing your test. Got it? So now we are conclude our session. So take care everyone. Inshallah, we will meet by tomorrow and bring your activity material. Okay? If you want to understand all each and everything about the 3D shape, so you have to bring your material. Allah Hafiz.
Good